Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn using mutual funds. So if you're interested in learning exactly how to set this thing up, watch the video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money using mutual funds. So somebody might ask, what is mutual funds, right? So as you can see here, it says here, a mutual fund is a SEC registered open-end investment company that pulls money from many investors. So money from different people is going to be collected, and where would this money go? As you can see, it invests the money in stocks, bonds, short-term money market instruments, other security or assets, or some combination of this investment. So this a company will take money from different people and then put it on stock or bonds or different money markets, right? At the end of the day, you end up making profit. So this is just a simple explanation of what mutual funds is, and this platform called Cowrywise has been doing this for a long time. So me personally, I've actually been doing this mutual fund for a very long time. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this platform. So I'm only recommending Cowrywise because it's something me personally have used, and then I'm not a financial expert, so I'm not going to give you financial advice, but what I know is this actually works for me, and I know it's going to work for you as well. So as you can see, if I come over here to this invest section here and I go over to this Naira mutual funds or Naira funds here, you're going to see that this is currently what I have in some of the mutual funds I have, but I'm going to show you some catalog of different things. So if I go over to this section here, you're going to see that I'm going to show you how much I've actually put on this mutual funds and how much I've actually removed as well. So if I come over to this place and go to plan reports, you're going to see everything. So right here, as you can see here, exactly is what I'm looking for. I've deposited over 2.6M here, and I've withdrawn over 2.3M here, which when I wanted to use the money for something, I needed to withdraw it. But the main thing I wanted to show you here is this this thing called dividend reinvested. So what I normally do is whenever I make profit from this mutual fund, I reinvest it, right? So as you can see here, dividend reinvested from only this mutual fund over 100k, right? And this is money that I will have left in my account doing nothing. But as you can see here, this money actually brought over 100k, which I have reinvested onto this mutual fund, and currently I just have 5k, which in the last 1 month, and we are just on the 10th of this month that I'm currently making this video, right? So this is actually something that works, okay? And I use this platform because I've been using the platform for years and I've not really had any issues. So if you come over to Google, you can search mutual funds. You can see so many platforms. As you can see, this is even the platform I'm using, Cowrywise, okay? But there are so many other platforms, like I know of GTB, I know of Stanbic. They also do this mutual fund or Standard Chartered. But guys, I'm only recommending the one that I've tried, which is Cowrywise. So this is actually a very fantastic way if you're looking to earn something for yourself. So how can you now set up this mutual fund? It's very simple. Go ahead, go over to cowrywise.com, create your account. After creating your account, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. Once you are here, just locate this invest. Now I want you to also know that this platform Cowrywise doesn't only work with mutual funds. You can also save your funds here, but I'm only just talking about the mutual fund aspect because you can actually make money with mutual funds, right? So I'm just going to click on invest. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you this stuff. So they can actually work with stock. If you want to invest in stock, you can do that. If you want to do mutual fund, which is what I'm talking about now, you can do that. So just click on mutual funds and it's going to bring you right here. So for instance, I think it only brought the ones I have invested. So if you want to invest on, let's say you want to invest, right? You are like me, you're not like me, like you don't have any funds on anywhere, right? You just want to invest. So I'm going to work with this Naira mutual funds. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you these two options. Do you want to invest with the managed portfolio or the individual fund, mutual fund? So whichever one works. So but they are self-explanatory. As you can see, it says here, invest in a diversified portfolio of mutual funds designed to help you achieve long-term growth. So Cowrywise is going to help you manage this, and what that means is there are so many mutual funds available. So Cowrywise is going to invest your money in diversify it. It's going to invest your money on a lot of them, like a lot of different mutual funds, right? So that way you earn money, you earn profit from all of them, and at the end of the day, Cowrywise help you to manage it. Or you want to invest on a single type of mutual funds. Now, let me show you what that means. So these individual mutual funds have different mutual fund, like this one, Lotus Hola Fixed Income Fund. This is a mutual fund. We have this company, Coral Income Fund. We have this Mabel Hala Commodities Fund. So these are mutual funds with different yield reports, yields, right? So as you can see, with different yield returns, and these are the mutual funds. But with this managed portfolio, Cowrywise is only just going to take your money and then help you diversify it, help you invest on different mutual funds that are working perfectly, right? So whichever one you choose to use is perfect. I even use all of them. I use this managed one, and I also invest on a different type of or individual mutual fund. So let's say you want to use the individual one and you want to invest. So right now you can see these different tags here. This one says moderate, this one says moderate, this one says moderate. Now if I go over to this one, let me come down so I can show you. So this one says here conservative. I want to show you something very important. This one is conservative. Another one here is saying conservative. Now there's another one. Okay, they didn't show that one, but the last option you have is aggressive. So what that means is, if you are particular about having your capital being secure, you don't want anything to happen to your capital, then you must work with the conservative. Okay, you must work with this conservative mutual funds. So that way your capital is what protected. Nothing is going to happen to your capital. More if you have more risk tolerance and you want to work with moderate, that means a little bit of your capital can be affected, right? And you are going to earn more with all this with moderate, earn more returns. And if you want to work with aggressive, that means you are comfortable about your capital being tampered with. That's if it goes bad, right? But me, as a beginner, as a learner, or somebody that just getting started to invest in a mutual fund, I will always recommend you get started with conservative. So for instance, this Vetiva money market funds, I can just click on it. You're going to see the details, how it's performing, and you can see it's performing good. And I mean, if you want to know more about all of this, you can check on Google and see exactly what it's talking about. But you can read a little bit story about it. You can see how to earn your returns daily based on your current investment amount, and you earn your returns daily based on your current investment amount and the current rates. The returns are paid out to your stash or reinvested automatically on the payout date. Just like me, I normally reinvest mine. But I want to also let you know that funds that you be putting here are funds that you basically will not be using for some time, right? Not funds that you want to use tomorrow, you put it here today. No, that doesn't work. So make sure you get funds that you're not going to use for some time, and that way you're going to earn good returns with it. You're going to be earning for this mutual funds, you're going to be earning 16.41% every quarter, every year, and it's going to be paid quarterly. So it's actually a very good thing. So I want to encourage all of you to go ahead, check out this mutual funds. It's actually a very good way to keep your money or make money as well with your money working for you. So that way you know that nothing is going to happen to your money, number one, and then your money is also bringing in more money for you, because it's going to be reinvested. It's going to be used to invest on stocks, mutual funds, and different types of things. And these things are handled by professionals on this platform called Cowrywise. So this is basically one of the things you can do with Cowrywise. You can also save funds from it, can do emergency savings and the likes, and so many things you can also do with the platform. But guys, I just wanted to bring this mutual funds to you guys notice, and I'm sure you understand one or two things that I just explained. Now if there's something that is not very clear to you, let me know. But I want to encourage you guys to check out this platform for your mutual funds investment, so that you can actually be earning money with your money working for you. So me personally, this has actually helped me, so I know it's going to help you. So if you're interested, sign up and get started. Watch this. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.